Let's get ready to rumble! In the left corner in the purple shorts we have Pictory, and in the right corner, also sometimes in purple, or pink, or even blue shorts, or whatever color they decide to be this week, we also have Invideo. And today they go head to head to decide which one is the best AI video generator. Okay, down to business. Both tools are currently market leaders in their own rights and claim to be the best AI video generators available. But which tool is best for faceless YouTube content and professional YouTube automation creators? Let's find out. Now, both of these tools have gone through some pretty big changes in 2023. The first of which is Invideo, which has had a complete overhaul to become what many are describing as the first AI video generator, or ChatGPT for video. They want you to be able to just enter a few prompts and automatically generate a complete video ready for upload. The script, the voiceover, and the video clips woven together in a complete video ready to use. Sounds pretty amazing. You simply just type in your own prompts, telling it what you want, or follow along with one of their pre-built workflow templates. The options are as follows: YouTube Shorts, YouTube Explainer videos, recent event videos where you can get it to take information from websites or articles, or script to video where you can enter your own script and it generates a video from it, which is what most of these tools previously did, and what was considered AI content generation. Just to be clear, both Pictory and Invideo are still based around this idea of AI reading the script and matching videos to it. It's just that Invideo has plugged ChatGPT into it for the script generation. So rather than doing this inside ChatGPT before and bringing it across, everything is handled in one place. On a quick sidebar, I personally think that both tools need to improve when it comes to matching video clips to their scripts. That's where I would have invested the time and money. If that works seamlessly and with more options, say to have the option to decide to have 20% AI images or to change the scene every 5 to 10 seconds, then every editor out there would be using it. The fewer changes I have to make later, the better. So guys, if you're watching, try to get that up to at least a 90% match rate by improving the AI's ability to comprehend what we mean in the script and what the video clips actually contain. Matching random keywords to videos just isn't going to cut it. Currently, I would say I have to change over 50% of the videos that you match inside. Then later on, once this is improved, you can add more bells and whistles and features to stand out from the crowd. Now, with that said, I do find Invideo's AI matches video content just a little bit better for some reason. This is probably due to the fact that the AI decides when the clip starts and ends, giving it greater context for video selection. So they get an extra point here just for that fact. Now on testing, I have to say that it is pretty darn slick, and it generates good videos in just a couple of minutes, which is absolutely mind-blowing, and I can see why channels like Matt Wolf called it the first text-to-film generator, and Liam James K said that you could make viral videos in minutes, a claim that he actually backed up by creating a channel called The Health Truth that has gone massively viral, generating a whopping, wait for it, 147 subscribers and a couple of thousand views after 2 whole months. At the time of recording this anyways. Most of which probably came directly from his main channel. Now, before the haters start typing in the comments below, I don't say this to judge them, I'm actually a massive fan and subscriber of both channels. The issue I have is that it takes more than a couple of text prompts to make a video go viral, or to make a decent film for that matter. Of course, you could create hundreds of videos and hope that something sticks, which might actually work, but it's not a solid business plan for making money on YouTube. Testing further, I found the quality of videos was better when it was short content rather than long form, which I'm guessing is because of the limitations of ChatGPT and the amount of text it can generate in a single go. So YouTube Shorts or 5-minute videos could be the best option for this tool. But knowing that you are probably going to have to do more editing for longer videos is where Invideo loses me a bit. It's set up to be the ChatGPT of video, not a video editor, which means it needs to be pretty darn perfect to begin with, or the time you lose making changes in what is basically an inflexible back-end editor may just not be worth it. Not yet anyways. As that improves, things may change, but it's really difficult to edit the voice or music afterwards, and you can't seem to add any annotations without the AI, So you have to keep asking it and hoping that it gets it right. So my question here was, what happens if you find some music or a voice that you really like and want to continue to use in other videos? I can't see a way to save them or to find out what they actually even were. So there may be some digging around or some future features that are going to come along, but for now I found that a little bit difficult to work with. From what I can see, editing the text and video clips are the only real things that you have full control over inside. So this tool for now, in my opinion, is for people that want to do little to no editing afterwards and aren't too worried about the overall quality of the video or having full control over what it looks like. You just want to bang out lots of content. Pictory, on the other hand, has opted to remain a type of hybrid AI, designed for those who want to save time and money bringing videos and voiceovers together, but retaining more control over how the video actually looks. They decided that rather than adding more AI, they would focus on improving the quality of the base product first, starting with the quality of the voiceovers. Here they partnered with 11 Labs, who, if you've watched any of the videos on my channel, are currently the best sounding AI voices on the market. And now with the click of a button, you can turn your script into an amazing sounding voiceover built directly into your automated video. Of course, you need to create the script in ChatGPT first or write it yourself, but personally I prefer to do this separately until one tool works absolutely perfectly. They've also just added more stock sites like iStock, which is something that Invideo actually had already done, so the footage inside both tools will be very similar. Pictory also has other features like adding subtitles, text annotations, logos, GIFs, and emojis, but this is another area where they need to improve things for me. The text annotations lack functionality and look pretty crappy. Personally, I just turn them all off and add these using a separate editing software later. And here lies my issue with both of these tools, and to be honest, people who just want to create videos for YouTube with the push of a button. If anyone can use these tools, then that level of video quality is now the new baseline, the new minimum standard of quality for YouTube or faceless videos. It's why Liam's videos didn't go viral, even though he technically knows exactly what he's doing on YouTube. If you want to stand out, then you are still going to have to add your own finishing touches, be it Alex Hormozi style subtitles, AI generated images, visual overlay effects, or writing an incredible video script. You need to be improving your videos and adding your own twist, and currently no AI tool will do that 100% for you. But again, if it did, that would become the new minimum, and you would still have to do a little bit more just to stand out, be it better scripts and thumbnails or adding your own extra edits. You have to look at each niche that you want to break into on YouTube and make sure that your videos are at least as good as the competition that you're going up against. Low quality videos will only work in low competition niches. With that said, Pictory and Invideo are still massive time savers, and they give you a great base to work from. I personally still use Pictory and it works great. But if you want more automation and you perhaps plan to make shorter videos, then Invideo may be the one for you. I'll put links in the video description to both tools, along with any discounts that I can get for you. As always, if you have any questions, just ask in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and until next time.